Hello plus one class, welcome again to A to Z Education by Joginder sir. So students, today we will discuss our new topic, that is resolution of a vector. So let's start. What's the resolution of a vector? So first is the definition. It is the process of splitting a vector into two or more vectors in different directions in such a way that their combined effect is same as that of the given vector is known as resolution of a vector. तो resolution of vector क्या होता है? किसी given vector को दो या दो से ज्यादा vectors में तोड़ देना, राइट, ब्रेक करना, स्प्लिट करना, और उन स्प्लिट किए हुए वेक्टर का जो कंबाइंड इफेक्ट होता है वो उसी के बराबर होता है जो गिवन वेक्टर का होता है, राइट। तो वो जो हमने स्प्लिट करके जो वेक्टर्स बनाए हैं उनको बोलते हैं हम कंपोनेंट। द वेक्टर्स ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम अ गिवन वेक्टर आर नोन एज कंपोनेंट ऑफ द वेक्टर्स। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो इसको समझते हैं ये क्या होता है। सपोज वी हैव अ वेक्टर आर, one vector is vector A, this is vector R, and one vector is vector B. So the problem is we have to split this vector R into vector A and V, in which the first component has the direction equal to that of vector A and second component has the direction equal to that of the B. Clear? So suppose we can draw a line like this. Suppose this point is O and this point is Q, and it is same as that of the resultant R, so we can take it as R. Now we have to split this vector into two vectors in which one component has the direction equal to that of A and other one has the direction equal to that of the B. तो अब क्या करेंगे, हम O से A के पैरेलल में एक वेक्टर ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. Suppose this point P, it is equal to vector A, और उसी तरह से हम B के along B की डायरेक्शन में एक वेक्टर ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. इट इज लाइक दिस एंड इट इज इक्वल टू B. अब हमने R वेक्टर को A और B दो वेक्टर में स्प्लिट कर दिया, राइट. तो इसका जो रिजल्टेंट होना चाहिए, इसकी जो वैल्यू होनी चाहिए या इसका जो इफेक्ट होना चाहिए वो A और B के कंबाइंड इफेक्ट के बराबर होना चाहिए. तो ये भी हमारे साथ प्रूव हो जाएगा एज पर ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन से. अगर हम देखें, अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, here R is in this direction, that is in clockwise, A and B are एंटी-क्लॉकवाइज. तो R इसमें रिजल्टेंट होगा, यानी OQ इज इक्वल टू OP प्लस PQ, और सिंपली R इज इक्वल टू हियर वेक्टर A प्लस वेक्टर B. तो एज पर वेक्टर एडिशन हमारे पास क्या हो जाता है, R इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर A प्लस वेक्टर B. अगर हमारे पास इसको रियल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, यहाँ पर अगर हम रियल नंबर n और m ले लें तो इसको हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, R इज इक्वल टू NA plus MB. So here this vector yani NA and MB are the components of vector R, right. which is resolved into two vector along the direction A and B. So resolution of vector is nothing, it is the process of splitting a vector into two or more vectors. तो प्लेन के अंदर इसको हम दो वेक्टर्स में रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं. क्लियर. अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल के ऊपर. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस हाउ टू रिजॉल्व अ वेक्टर इनटू इट्स रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट्स. कैसे एक वेक्टर्स को रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट्स में रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं. रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं द कंपोनेंट्स विच आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, राइट. तो हम यहाँ जानना सीखेंगे कि कैसे एक वेक्टर को रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट्स में रिजॉल्व करना है. So when a vector is split into two component vector at right angle to each other, the component vectors are called rectangular component. उनको हम rectangular component बोलते हैं. तो assume कर लेते हैं, suppose we have a xy plane. It is like this. This is the origin and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. And suppose we have the given vector, we can name it as A. Suppose A is the given vector and we have to resolve it into two rectangular vectors, यानी दो perpendicular vectors में इसको resolve करना है. Clear? Let this point be P, OP. तो हम इसको रिजॉल्व करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. वी विल फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर्स ऑन एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस फ्रॉम पॉइंट पी. यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर लेंगे एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर और एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर लेंगे वाई एक्सिस के ऊपर. क्लियर. वन परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम पॉइंट पी ऑन एक्स एक्सिस and other on y axis. इसको हम कुछ पॉइंट ने नाम दे देते हैं. Suppose this is M and this is N, right. तो यहाँ पर ये जो हमारे पास OM की डिस्टेंस है, this is the first component of A. इसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं AX से, and ON is the second rectangular component. इसको हम represent करते हैं AY से because it is along y axis. So these are the components that are resolved along x and y axis, right. The component of A along x axis is AX and the component along y axis is AY. And suppose this is an angle theta, that component AX makes with that of the given vector A. क्लियर. अब इसके लिए हमने नेट वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है A के लिए, कि जो A की वैल्यू होती है इन टर्म ऑफ इट्स कंपोनेंट वो कितनी आएगी. उसके लिए हमने फॉर्मूला ड्रॉ करना है. क्लियर. तो हमने क्या किया इसमें, कंसीडर a vector A has to be resolved into two rectangular component along x and y axis. अब इसको रेक्टेंगल, अब आप देख रहे हो कि ax and ay are perpendicular to each other, that's why it is called rectangular components, right. अब यहाँ से ON is equal to AX और यहाँ से देखें M से P तक it is equivalent to that of the ON. तो यहाँ पर ये जो वैल्यू है हमारे पास, ये किसके बराबर है, AY के बराबर, M2P it is equal to that of AY, राइट। तो यहाँ पर हम एक ट्राइंगल लॉ अप्लाई करके भी हम रिजल्टेंट की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं। क्लियर? तो फ्रॉम ट्राइंगल लॉ, of vector addition, we will have resultant as we know R. This is equal to A, vector A is equal to vector AX plus vector AY. Clear? Take it as equation number 1. अब अगर इसको हम स्केलर फॉर्म में चेंज करना चाहें, मान के चलते हैं सपोज वेक्टर I cap and J cap are the unit vector along x and y axis. Clear? Let I cap and J cap are the unit vectors along OX and OY. Then equation 1 becomes vector A is equal to AX I cap plus AY J cap. As you know, when we apply the unit vectors, AX and AY can be taken in magnitudes. Clear? In term of magnitude or the unit vector, we can take this value like this. Vector AX can be written as AX I cap and AY can be written as AY J cap, and the unit vectors are given. So this is equation 2. Clear? So these vectors AX I cap and AY J cap are the components of vector A, which is the given vector. Now as you can see from right angle triangle OMP, it's a right angle triangle here, right? So we have to find out the value of AX and AY by using these right angle triangles. So in right angle triangle, OMP here, OM is equal to AX, MP is equal to AY, and OP is equal to A. Clear? Is given. So first we have to find out the value of AX and AY. So from triangle, from right angle triangle OMP, cos of angle theta, is the base upon hypotenuse. So base is OM upon hypotenuse is OP, or you can write it as AX upon A, or it implies AX is equal to A cos of angle theta, right? So this component, this is the first component of vector A along x-axis or in the horizontal direction. So that is why this is called horizontal component. This is horizontal component of vector A, right? Take it as question number 3. Similarly, sine theta from this triangle perpendicular upon hypotenuse means MP upon OP becomes AY upon A, that is AY is equal to A sine of angle theta, and it is along the vertical direction, so this is called vertical component. This is called vertical component of A. Take it as question number 4. So that is the exact formula for the components of a given vector that are resolved. So the horizontal component of given vector A is A cos theta, and the vertical component of given vector A is A sin theta. Now we can square and adding these two equations 3 and 4. Now squaring and adding equation 3 and 4, so it becomes ax square plus ay square is equal to a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, or it will become a square is common, so the equation become cos square theta plus sin square theta, and as we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, so it comes out to be ax square plus ay square is equal to a square, or a is equal to ax square plus ay square root. So that is the magnitude of vector A in terms of its rectangular components. A is equal to ax square plus ay square root. And now divide equation 4 by equation 3, so we will get ay upon ax is equal to a sine of angle theta upon a cos of angle theta. A and a are cancelled, and sine theta upon cos theta becomes equal to tan of angle theta, so that means tan theta is equal to ay upon ax, or you can find out the value of theta by using this relation, tan inverse ay upon ax. So that is the required result. So from this article we find the horizontal and vertical component and the angle which the given vector makes with x-axis, right? And that is theta. And in case the given vector makes an angle with y-axis, then it will becomes, the formula becomes ax upon ay, tan inverse ax upon ay. You can note this. If given vector makes angle theta with y-axis, then the formula become theta is equal to tan inverse ax upon ay. Clear? So what we have concluded here, first things, the horizontal component of A is A cos of angle theta, and second, vertical component of A is equal to A sin theta, and on combined they are called rectangular components. Why they are called rectangular components? Because these are perpendicular to each others, right? So that is the article. So please go through these articles carefully. Now let's do some numericals related to this. Here the numerical 1, what will be the horizontal and vertical component of a 50 Newton force that is 60 degree along the horizontal? Clear? We have to find out the horizontal and vertical component of a force 50 Newton that is 60 degree above the horizontal. It is like this. This is a solution for first numerical. It is like this. This is a force given, which is 50 Newton, and it makes an angle theta which is 60 degree above the horizontals. So this is horizontal component, this is F, so it comes out to be F cos theta is its horizontal component, and this is vertical component along y-axis, this is F sin theta. So we have to find out F cos theta and F sin theta, which are horizontal and vertical components. Clear? So here F is equal to 50 Newton, theta is equal to 60 degree, therefore horizontal component comes out to be F cos of angle theta, or F is 50 into cos 60 degree. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, 50 into 1 by 2 it comes out to be 25 newtons. And second vertical component, it is F sine theta. So F is 50 into sine 60 degree, or 50 into sine 60 degree, we know its value is under root 3 upon 2. So it comes out to be 25 root 3 Newton. Clear? So it's a very simple numerical. You just have to know the formulas of horizontal and vertical component. Along horizontal direction it is F cos of angle theta, and vertical it is F sin theta. And now let's come to second numerical. A mass of 2 kg lies on a plane making an angle 30 degree to the horizontal. Resolve the weight along and perpendicular to the plane. So solution for numerical second, it is like this. It's a horizontal plane like this, and there is a plane inclined to it like this, and it has a mass of 2 kg. So what will be its weight? Weight always act vertically downwards. Its weight will be is equal to mg. Clear? And g, as we know, suppose e is equal to here 10 meter per second square. Clear? So mass is 2, this is weight, mass 2 into 10 equal to 20. Clear? Now you have to resolve this weight into horizontal and vertical components, and this angle is 30 degree, right? So draw a perpendicular component to this plane like this. This is angle theta, and another component along the plane. So this component which makes an angle theta is called horizontal. This is F, it comes out to be W cos theta, and it comes out to be W sin theta. W is the weight. These are the two components that are resolved along horizontally and vertically. So the component that make an angle theta is called horizontal, and it can be written as W cos theta, and second is the W sin theta. Clear? So we have to find out these components. Therefore the component of weight along the plane means W sin theta is equal to W sin theta, and W is mg sin theta, and it comes out to be equal to 20 into sine 30 degree, right? And as we know, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, so it comes out to be 20 into 1 by 2 is equal to 10 Newton. Now the second component, the component of weight perpendicular to the plane, that is W cos of angle theta, or you can write it as mg cos of angle theta, means 20 into cos 30 degree, and cos 30 degrees under root 3 by 2, 20 into root 3 upon 2, so it comes out to be approximately 10 root 3 Newton, or 17.3 Newton. If you solve the value of under root 3, then it comes out to be 17.3 Newton. So students, I hope you all understand the topic resolution of a vector and its numerical. So thank you, have a nice day.